is laundry and shower day for sure. Strolled into the Soapbox. Gonna wash the blanket from my car. Which one? Oh, that one. Man, $8.50 is like way pricey for a blanket. But it only takes 25 minutes, so that's nice. Let's go over and do my clothes now. I keep the socks in a Ziploc bag so it doesn't stink up my entire car. This machine is much smaller, so it only costs $3.50. Way better. While we're waiting for the machine to do its thing, let's take a step outside and look at how I do things around here. Here's my bed. Built for the keyboard to go right underneath it. Each morning I wake up, I just reach right over and grab my clothes out of the dresser. I'm going to bring my dresser in, so I'm gonna have to move a few things out of the way to get to it. Because it doesn't come out of here very well. Now I should be able to get to it. I was very methodical the way I packed things. I got socks on one side, underwear, shirts, and all my shorts go in here. I do have long sleeves and hoodies in the back here. Blanket's done, let's take it over to the dryer. Dryers are nice, they always cost way less money. Clothes only have 6 minutes left. Oh look, clothes are done. Look, right by his best friend. I sort my socks based on the ones that have holes in them and the ones that don't. I've just been kind of putting the ones that have holes in the front and the ones that don't have holes in the back. The nicer clothes go on top to try and prevent wrinkles. And I usually put my pajama pants in this corner just to top it all off. And that's been my experience at the laundromat today. We'll see you tomorrow. I was talking to the people that work in there and they are super polite, just very helpful. I liked them a lot and they asked me to leave a review. I would give them 5 stars, so I'm going to do that. They were great, they played great music. I would definitely go back if I was in this town. They're located right on the outskirts of Columbus in Springtown Road. It's called Soapbox. Yeah, come on in, get your laundry done.